Hey, what's up guys? So OnePlus will soon launch its first ever foldable phone that will be called OnePlus Open. The highly anticipated foldable phone from OnePlus was set to launch in the third quarter of this year, but due to the change of display supplier, the launch has been delayed. But we don't have to wait for too long as tipster Max Jumper has revealed the launch date of the OnePlus Open. According to the tipster, the first foldable phone from OnePlus will make its debut on October 19, which is less than a month from now. The OnePlus Open will compete against the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and other foldable phones. It's gonna be a compact phone with a wider aspect ratio and a bigger protruding camera module on the rear. The main display is gonna be a 7.8-inch AMOLED panel with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, whereas the cover display is gonna be a 6.3-inch panel, probably with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus Open can be folded 400,000 times without any problem. This is as twice than Galaxy Z Fold 5's 200,000 times life cycle. The camera configuration is quite impressive too. The main camera is gonna be a 48 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization support, another 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. For selfie, you'll get a 32 megapixel sensor on the cover display, while the main display might house a 20 megapixel selfie snapper. The OnePlus Open will retain the fan favorite alert slider and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. It will come with 16GB of RAM and 256GB storage, and all of this will be powered by a 4800 mAh battery that will support 67 watt fast charging. The first foldable phone from OnePlus will be the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in pricing. The OnePlus Open might be priced under $1,500, which is almost $300 cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So yeah, all of this really makes me excited, and let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below, and if you like this video then please subscribe. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.